Today, we will focus on how to dissect price action and how to join the parties with the dominant side. Trading rallies or crashes could be one of the best ways to trade for the most traders. It is all about dedication and hard work. If you're ready, let's start. When you woke up to this nice Monday in the new fresh week, you should have immediately noticed this lovely strong day. Totals and major coins were strongly green, and USD dominance was rather weak, as you can see. So, this indicates that trading upward rallies are more beneficial compared to crashes. So I specially selected this BSW coin, one of the top gainers. It had interesting price action to watch. The daily time frame was especially educational. As you can see, price sweeps the monthly low. Since then, buyers tried to dominate the sellers. They were pushing the coin upwards and upwards in a way. They were trying to fill the daily imbalance upwards, as you can see. Now in our momentum layout, you may ask this question, why this coin? To be honest, nothing special at all. The only reason I detected this coin was it was in the top gainers and had a nice daily imbalance to be filled. Very simple couple of clues. In this 2-hour time frame on the right, notice this area of MASTERCLASS price switch, right before the rally. And right after that, a powerful rally started until the price filled the daily imbalance. So, what I want to do is discuss how to join dominant rallies today and how to jump ourselves into these bullet trains on the go. Let's open a lower time frame together and talk further. In this 5-minute chart combined with multi-time frames, you can see the dominant rally together. Basically, what I'm interested in here is the breaks and then pullbacks until we fill the daily imbalance. Because after each break, we may have some sort of chance to enter trades. You can see in close action, in very early stages of the rally, actually there is no valid or significant entry chances. Price breaks, but never pullbacks. But later, this changes. After each significant breaks, we are having a decent pullback to enter trades. Now let's zoom in the area further. As you can see, after each break, price decently pullbacks into discount zones or imbalance areas or sometimes the optimal trade zones. I think it is impossible to catch 3 trades, but if you are watching the price action, I think it was possible to catch at least 1 solid trade here. So let me do a decent recap for you. 1. We knew that this was a strong day and we are looking for long trades. 2. We know that best long trades come with rallying top gainers. 3. Furthermore, we also saw the daily imbalance as a target in this specific coin. And lastly, we joined the dominant rally with simple smart money structures. As you can see, trading is actually not overly complicated business, but rather waiting and patience. I think waiting for a good setup can take sometimes hours. This is the number 1 problem for the most traders, waiting and being patient. Because most traders just want to open the charts and trade like crazy every single minute. But in the most cases, it is not ideal. Okay folks, see you next time. Please take care and be safe. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you